Exercise 1.3. Question first. Write the following in decimal form. In decimal form and say what kind of decimal expression each has. Terminating, non-terminating, recurring. So student, first is 36 upon 100. Apply division process. 36 is divided by 100. Student, 36 is less than 100. So here 0 and point. After applying point, here 0 is added in front of 36. So 100 3s are 30, 100 3s are 300. And you get 60 as remaining. Because we applied point previously, so we get 0 here by addition in front of 60, and 106 are 600. Here remainder is 0. So we get answer as this decimal number, and this decimal number is terminating decimal. Why? Because remainder is 0, and if remainder is 0, then in division process we get as answer decimal what type? Terminating term. So 36 upon 100 is 0.36. I hope you understand. And now second one, 1 upon 11. 1 is divided by 11. So students, 1 is less than 11. So here is point, and here is 0, and 10 is also less than 11. So again we apply 0, and here 0, and 11 9 ja 99. Here 1 is remainder, and due to point applied, 0 is again in front of 1, and here is 10, but 10 is less than 11. So here apply 0, and here is 100. 11 9 99, and again we get remainder as 1. This process repeats repeats again and again. बच्चों, हमने 1 से स्टार्ट किया था और अगेन एंड अगेन रिमाइंडर 1 आता जा रहा है, और यहाँ पर 090909 बार बार रिपीट होता रहेगा, और ये कभी खत्म नहीं होगा। और इस तरह के डेसिमल नंबर्स को हम क्या कहते हैं? नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग बट रिपीटिंग। सो if here this number is written as 0909 and 0909, so on. So we can write 0.09 bar. What is the meaning of bar? 09090909. Again and again it repeats. So here is 0.09, comma, and this decimal number is which type? Non-terminating but repeating. Non-terminating but repeating. Okay, students. And again, this is mixed fraction. Here 8 4 are 32. 32 plus 1 33. 33 by 8. Apply division process. 33 is divided by 8. 8 4 are 32. 8 5 are 40. So 8 4 are 32. Here 1 is less than 8. So here is point, and here add 0 in front of 1. 8 1 are 8. Here we get, after subtraction, we get 2, and due to point we add 0 in front of 2. 8 2 are 16, and remainder is 4. Due to point we add 0 in front of 4, and 8 5 are 40, and remainder add 0. You know very well, when 8 5 are 40, 40 minus 40, we get remainder as 0. So 33 by 8 is written as 4.125, and remainder is 0 in this division process. So here we get this decimal expansion, and this decimal expansion is which type? Terminating. This is terminating decimal. So this is terminating, and this is what? Non-terminating. Non-terminating repeating. Okay, students, I hope you understand. Exercise 1.3, question number 2. You know that 1 by 7 is equal to 0.1228 by 7. Can you predict what the decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 are without doing the long division? If so, how? Okay, students. First one is 2 by 7. 2 by 7. In given question, the value of 1 by 7 in decimal number is given. 1 by 7 is equal to this. So 2 by 7 we can write as 2 into 1 by 7, and put the value of 1 by 7 from here to here. 1 by 7, put the value here and apply simple division, simple multiplication technique, and you get answer as this. Without doing long division, we get the value of 2 by 7, because the value of 1 by 7 is given in the question. Okay, students, I hope you understand this. Again, 3 by 7. 3 by 7 is written as 3 into 1 by 7, and put the value 1 by 7 from here to here. You get answer as this without doing long division. Similarly, in case of 4 by 7, in case of 5 by 7, in case of 6 by 7, 4 by 7 is written as 4 into 1 by 7 and put the value 1 by 7 from here. In 5 by 7, 5 by 7 is written as 5 into 1 by 7. 5 by 7 is written as 5 into 1 by 7. 4 by 7, 4 into 1 by 7. Similarly, 6 by 7 is equal to 6 into 1 by 7. Student, do it. Okay, I hope you understand this problem. Exercise 1.3, question number 3. Express the following in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q does not equal to 0. Question first. 0.6 bar. Student, you know very well this is written as 0.666666 dot 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 dot. स्टूडेंट, ऐसे क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए बच्चों ये वेल डिफाइंड स्टेप्स है, इनको हमें फॉलो करना है। सबसे पहले बच्चों हमें जो भी नंबर दिया रहेगा उसे हम मान लेंगे x के इक्वल। लेट x इज इक्वल टू 0.666। ये 0.6 के बाद का एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म। और इसके बाद बच्चों जब हमें x इज इक्वल टू 0.666 मिल जाएगा तो हमें सेकेंड स्टेप में क्या करना होता है कि ये देखना होता है कि इस नंबर में बार कितने डिजिट्स के ऊपर है। यहाँ पर बार 1 डिजिट के ऊपर है, सो वी मल्टीप्लाई बाई 10 बोथ। अगर यहाँ पर बच्चों 2 नंबर्स होती तो वी मल्टीप्लाई 100 एंड अगर यहाँ पर बार 3 डिजिट्स के ऊपर होता तो हम 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करते। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड। ओके स्टूडेंट, बिकॉज हियर bar is on 1 digit, so we multiply 10 both sides. In this, when 10 is multiplied both sides, so we get 10x is equal to 10 into 0.666 dot dot dot. I am taking 3 digits here. बच्चों यहाँ डैश डैश लगा हुआ है, कहने का मतलब कि बार बार से क्या हो रहा है, रिपीट हो रहा है। तो 2 स्टेप्स आपने यहाँ देखे। पहला क्या कि हम सपोज करेंगे, लेट सपोज x इज इक्वल टू गिवन नंबर। इन सेकेंड स्टेप मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 और 100 और 1000। हमें इसके लिए देखना होता है कि बार कितने डिजिट के ऊपर है। Okay student, I hope these 2 steps you understand. In third step, 10x is equal to this because here we multiply by 10. So student, point जो यहाँ है बच्चों वो कहाँ, ये 6 कहाँ जाएगा, यहाँ आ जाएगा। 6 कहाँ जाएगा, यहाँ आ जाएगा। और ये डेसिमल कहाँ चला जाएगा, यहाँ चला जाएगा। या तो आप इसको ऐसे समझें या ऐसे समझें कि ये डेसिमल कहाँ जाएगा, 6 के बाद। सो 6.666 डॉट डॉट। यहाँ पर हम 3 डिजिट ले लेंगे। और बच्चों ध्यान देने की बात ये है कि यहाँ पर आपने x माना था उसको आप इक्वेशन नंबर 1 दें और जब हमने 10 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया तो बच्चों हमें इक्वेशन 2 मिली। एंड द नेक्स्ट स्टेप स्टूडेंट, सब्ट्रैक्ट इक्वेशन फर्स्ट फ्रॉम सेकेंड। इक्वेशन 1 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कीजिए इक्वेशन सेकेंड। तो सेकेंड इक्वेशन क्या है बच्चों, 10x = 6.666, इसको ऐसे हमने यहाँ लिखा बच्चों। इक्वेशन फर्स्ट क्या है बच्चों, यहाँ से हमने लिया x = 0.666। यहाँ देखिए बच्चों 3 डिजिट सेम और डिजिट हमने लिखा नहीं है। कहने का मतलब ये है बच्चों कि यहाँ बार बार अगेन एंड अगेन क्या हो रहा है, 6 का रिपीटिशन। तो जब हम यहाँ सब्ट्रैक्शन अप्लाई करेंगे बेटा, तो यहाँ पर बच्चों 6 - 6 0, इधर भी सिमिलर है। सो इधर भी हम क्या लगाएंगे 0, 6 - 6 0, 6 - 6 0 एंड हियर इज 6. Okay, so student, this can be written as 9x = 6. 9x = 6, क्योंकि पॉइंट के बाद जीरो का कोई मतलब नहीं बच्चों। तो x = क्या है बच्चों, 6/9 और 3 से डिवाइड कर दीजिए नॉमिनेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में। So you get 3 × 2 = 6, 3 × 3 = 9. So here 2/x = 2/3. Okay students, I hope you understand very well how 0.6 bar can be written as in the form of p/q. Okay students. Question third, part second. 0.47 का R. Okay student, this can be written as 0.4777 ... I am taking 3 steps, and you know well-defined steps. X = 0.477, multiplying by 10 both sides. Why? Because bar is applied on one digit. Okay student, I hope you understand very well. 10x in this equation, first equation, multiplied by both sides. So you get 10x = 10 into 0.4777. So after multiplying 10, this point goes from here to here, and you get 4.777 ... This is equation second. Okay student, in next step, subtract equation first from second. Equation first is x = 0.4777 ... and equation second is 10x = 4.777 ... So here after subtracting it, we get 9x = 4.3000. I hope you understand very well, because here बच्चों जहाँ पे डॉट है वहाँ भी 7 लिखा जाएगा और यहाँ भी 7 लिखा जाएगा। तो हर जगह ऊपर भी 7, नीचे भी 7. आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्शन we get 0 0 0. So 7 - 7 0, 7 - 7 0, 7 - 4 3. Here is point and this is 4. 10x - x = 9. So we get 9x = 4.3, क्योंकि इन जीरोस का कोई मतलब नहीं है। ओके स्टूडेंट, सो 9x = 43/10। बच्चों यहाँ पर 4.3 को पॉइंट जहाँ पर है बेटा वहाँ क्या लिखा जाता है 1, और जितने डिजिट होते हैं पॉइंट के बाद उतने क्या लगा दिए जाते हैं 0, तो ये पॉइंट फिर क्या हो जाता है, हट जाता है, रिमूव हो जाता है। तो हियर 43/10, 9x is equal to 43/10 and x is equal to 43 divided by 10 into 9, this 9. Okay, so x is equal to 43/90. I hope you understand this decimal number represent how represent in the form of p by q. Okay, students, I hope you understand this problem.